Okay guys, this is my directional bias on BTC. So if you don't know me, it's your boy Physio FXT, FX Melin. So how do I get this particular trade? It's still in the entry zone, kind of. You get this particular zone is my entry zone. So let's say the trade can still tap in or maybe continue moving ahead. So even if you miss this first entry, you can still enter from here, which is here. So how do I get this particular trade? Go to 4-hour time frame and look at what is happening on the trend. I use 4-hour time frame due to day trading, and also it's more okay and conducive for me. So use anyone you want. You can use daily or 4-hour time frame. You can see what is happening. Let me reduce this so you can see. We have a ranging market. For a very long time we have been on a ranging market. From here to here we have the support zone, resistance zone. The market has been accumulating. This is called consolidating, anything you can call it, but it's ranging. So that's the main thing about it. So what next do I check up on? This market has already broken out, coming down to clear liquidity here, which is clearing people's stop loss. People that entered from here cleared their stop loss and approached the same high again. This resistance, they pushed it back. After this first breakout, you already know that we have buyers have already won in the market. They have already won sellers in the market. It's a win game. So pushing back here is to get more energy, more buyers from this low, which is from this. I can see a demand zone here. If you know what is called demand zone, I can see a strong demand zone here. So tapping in, giving more traders, more demand zone traders, more buyers entry, which is a discount zone. So they give them more entries around there. So pushing up, they hit the resistance again. The resistance feels like they still have a little bit some energy. So they try their best to push the market, but you can see the market is going up. So they broke above again. So after this breaking above, this little retracement from the candle they are creating on this retracement is showing that we don't have enough sellers anymore, that buyers have already won the market. So you go down to your smaller time frame, which is 30 minutes. Is very okay. Go to 30 minutes, find a clean demand zone for your entry. That's why I was here waiting. After this break, you can see this is a proper retest, and you can see how many candles that created this breakout. This particular is a momentum candle. I trade more of momentum because momentum shows the energy in the market. We have a momentum candle here, so we have a pullback inside this our demand zone. Demand zone is the small candle before the big move, you get, or the accumulation. This particular phase, all this place are all demand zone, you get. This accumulation before this big move, or this small candle before the big move. So that's my entry point. So how do you set your stop loss? Your stop loss should be below that candle, below, under that wick, which is here. Very perfect. So entry is inside here. Any entry from here is good, as long as you have your stop loss. You have the amount to risk, the money to risk, you get. Make sure your stop loss is under. Simple. If you want to add more stop loss, give yourself some space and allow the market to run, you get. That's how it is, you get. Nothing much. So if you want to see the market more, what is really happening, you can go down to daily. Daily is here, so it's not that much. Look at daily time frame, you can see what is happening. So this trend is about to change. Let's say we're about to experience a little bit. Let's say something from here is a realistic. This is a realistic buy. That's why I set my TP on 1:5, I'll be 1:6. So if you want, you can go higher, but I'm not going to give you an unrealistic trade, you get. So this is my directional bias and also the trade for BTC. So I'm going to do for gold will be the next video, so watch out for my next video. If you need a guide on how to understand candles, I trade simple price action, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. My number is there. You can see my number here, also on my bio. Also, if you want to join my free community, send me a DM or use the link on my bio. Have a great day, guys. Bye.